guys, this your girl Yosha back at it again with another wig tutorial. Basically I'll be using Urban Beauty Collection wigs, and I'll be making a wig doing a quick weave or whatever. I'll be using 3 packs of hair in the colors brown with blind highlights, auburn with blind highlights, and golden blonde. I will be placing the brown part on the bottom, auburn in the middle, and golden blonde on the top. This beauty name by the hair is by Beauty Collections, Urban Beauty Collections. Basically I'll be using 30-second glue, as you can see in this little cast right here. I'll be using some combs that I have on hand, a rat tail comb and a shower cap comb. I also will be using a dome mesh cap by Make Your Own Wigs and a pair of scissors. This mannequin head that I am using, it is from Amazon or whatever, and Amazon give you this type of head. I think I paid like $20 or $30 for it. Wasn't that much. This particular wig head, stand head thing come with ears on the side, so it'd be that much easier for you to make your wig. Believe it or not, it's really valuable the way you place your dome cap on your wig head. However you want it done, that's how you will place it on your head. If you're doing a U-part wig, you'll line it up. I like this wig cap because it have a full face, so you, as I'm turning around, you can see that I'm showing you that it have ears, nose, mouth, eyes, and all that. And you need that, you know what I'm saying? And the dome cap is stretchable, so it will fit against my head. It's for me or whatever. So basically what I'm doing now is showing you the dome cap. The ear tabs will help you to see where you need to cut and lay your tracks and how you would place your tracks. Also, what did I forget to tell you guys? Oh, this will be a quick weave wig tutorial, but I will be doing it in a bob with a band. I'll be taking it off my head off camera and cutting it to frame my face for the band. Also, when I get finished closing up the top, I will be taking the wig off my head, cutting and curling it off camera, because I didn't put the clips in here, I don't think. So basically this is what I'm doing. If you keep on watching, you'll see it all the way to the end, you guys. So keep on watching, and I'll be using that hair first. The brown and gold hair will be used first, the auburn hair will be used in the middle, and the golden blonde will be used up top to close it up. Basically that's all the things I'm using. And also, you know, I'll be using a flat iron or whatever, excuse me you guys, but if you keep on watching to the end, you'll see it. And also I wanted to tell y'all, they took my thing off of YouTube, I guess, from the video. So this video was up before, but it's being put up again because they took it down, and I wanted to make some tweaks to the video anyway. So I'm happy they did do it. I done a test trial, so this is to be the video. If y'all keep on watching, y'all will see how I will be laying this wig on his head. And if y'all got any comments or questions, leave it down in the comment box below, and I'll let y'all know some things y'all need to do, or wigs and tips. So y'all just keep on watching. I know I said that like 3 or 4 times, but just keep on watching, and support your girl, you guys. Keep on watching.
Run that back, turbo.
So basically in this clip, I am going to be closing the wig off or whatever. And the way I close my wigs off, I don't do it like most girls do it, whereas though they take it off there, they take their flat iron and they do it in a circle and they blow dry it off and then flatten it down with a flat iron. What I do myself, because by all means y'all need to know I am not a professional. This is just what I've been doing. I've been doing hair since I was 12 years old, and whatever works for me probably not work for you, but it works for me, so I use it. So basically what I do is I take the hair, I cut it with some scissors. That's what the scissors are there for, because I cut each width, and I just place it on a dome cap like you see, and I use my fingers to kind of make the glue tacky or whatever, and I keep on pressing down all the way to the end, and I press down and I press down until it get tacky. Sometimes it can be tricky, but this is how I'm used to doing it or whatever. Then I would take my blow dryer, you guys, and I'll blow dry it until it dry all the way, and it actually makes it a lot flatter doing that way, doing it this way or whatever. So basically this is what y'all seeing me doing, taking in closing up my wig. I'll be keep on going in a circle, in a circle, in a circle until it's closed all the way in. Take a little piece from the top and stick it in and continue doing it. I'm coming in closer so y'all can see what I done, and basically this is what I done. Now the glue can be a little bit, messy, but you got to be real careful with the glue, just like anything else. If you was using cohesive for your lace, you would have to be, a little bit neat. But like I said, this wig is for my head, and I'm just showing y'all how I make my wig. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing y'all how I do things. What's okay for me and what I like, y'all probably wouldn't like, but I'm just showing y'all how y'all can make a quick weave wig and it comes off fast. You know what I'm saying, you guys? So basically what y'all saw me do was blow dry it on. I'm cutting another piece of the hair, that's why you don't see me in the frame, so I can close it up some more. I walked off or whatever I did in this clip, but basically if you keep on watching you can see me closing it off. And what else? Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys I have another mini haul coming up for a wig tutorial, and also for some products that I picked up, personal products that I picked up from Walmart. So keep on watching this video to the end, you guys, and be wild about this wig that I made.
Run that back turbo. Run that back turbo.
this was a quick weave tutorial that I done on a wig cap on a mannequin head, because I didn't want it stuck to my head, and I'm coming to show y'all the ending results. I did show the products that I used in the beginning of the video, the tutorial, but I'm showing y'all the end of it so y'all can see how it was to my head, because I had to put it on my head and fit it to my head and kind of cut it the way I want it. By all means, I am not a professional. I just the way I do my hair. And I'm going to zoom in for y'all so y'all can see the finished product. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, that's too far in. So basically what I did was, like, I cut myself a bob. I'm going to go out a little bit more. I cut myself a bob, and this is how I wear my bob. This is like my signature bob. For those who know me, they know I always wear this type of bob in my head with the bang, and I do the back this way so y'all can see it. And this is how I do the back of my head. I'm not really sure how I look towards my head, because like I said, I cut it on the mannequin, so this is the way I cut it. And I try to fix it to fit my face on top by putting the wig on my head. So this is how the back looks. This is how this side looks. And this is how this side looks. And this is how I cut the front. So basically, this is the way I like to wear my bobs. And like I said, it was a quick weave tutorial. I used glue. I used 3 different colors. I used 12-inch in P412. That's the color of 1. Then I also used P3033 in 12 inches. And I also used a 10-inch in 27. 27 is on the top. And this is by Urban Beauty Collection. If y'all can see that. Urban Beauty Collections. Tangle Free Hair. Another business in New Orleans going out of, well, I don't know if they're going out of business or they're just doing it. We have this real big beauty mart on St. Claude and Elysian Fields down here in New Orleans, and they have a big old sale. Either they're going out of business or whatever the situation may be. But I found 3 bags of hair for $20. It's 100% human hair, as you can see. And I've been using this type of hair. I used to use this hair in the past, like when I was Weavy Wonder, which I still kind of am Weavy Wonder. But all I'm saying, I've been using this hair in the past, and I know this was a cheap, affordable hair that actually is good quality. You know what I'm saying? So basically, that's what I used. I also used this wig. This cap. It's called Make Your Own Wig, Easy and Affordable Way to Make Your Own Wig. And it is in black. And as you can see, this how it's made. And I showed y'all in the video how it was made. So if y'all like this video, I would like y'all to press subscribe, hit the like button and the little bell button so be notified when I upload more videos on my channel. Forever Me Yosha. I am Yosha. Bye.